Hey guys, this is Navari. I'm gonna give you 3 reasons with some subtopics of why I am coming back to YouTube, and I'm gonna give you some reasons why I want to put myself out there. And for the first reason, I got some notes, so don't mind me if I look down. But one of the reasons why I want to come back to YouTube and start putting content out is because I want to become a role model or someone that you can look up to, like an older brother or someone that you go to for advice, or someone you go to for just kind of getting away from life for 5, 10, 15 minutes and learn something. Second one, well, would be to give advice, but from the advice that I want to give is from my own experience, from what I've done in my past and how I implemented something or even reworked it, so that way, I better myself or better myself in situations. I don't know what's going with that one. But I also want to be able to give people stuff, or not stuff, but I want to be able to give people what I did not have as a child. Um, Most of my childhood, I was pretty much by myself from the age of 6 years old. My brothers left when I was about 5, 6 through like legal reasons. Um, they just kind of got taken away. But having to deal with that, having no brothers, no sisters, no role model to look up to be in my life, I just had to do things by myself, and didn't really tell you how hard life gets when you got to do things on your own, especially at a young age. Um, I want to document or make content because in the future you'll see me go from the ground up, or at least where I'm at right now in life, and you'll see me grow. And hopefully, you want to grow with me too. You know what I mean? I want to be able to be more consistent with how I not only articulate myself to everybody else, but to be more consistent with myself and how I organize myself through daily activities, habits, or, you know, stuff. um, I just want to be more consistent with myself and be able to put myself out there with stuff that kind of gets me uncomfortable. It's like there's a saying, it's like, do you want to be safe and secure, or do you want to get out of your comfort zone and grow? Like, you can't really grow if you're in your own comfort zone. Um, I'm gonna be pushing content that's not really entertaining wise, but it's more for like self improvement. I'm sure I'll make videos in the future where it's more like maybe like a vlog style instead of you know teaching certain topics or practices. Um, I mean, I'll have some funny content, throughout the videos, but as of right now, I'm just gonna be more trying to get confident on the camera and not saying like and looking away like I normally do. So I apologize. Um, it's been 5 months, roughly 5 months and a week or so since I stopped making content. I put out like 9 videos, trying to do daily, and I think I'm in like 8 or 9 days. And they always tell you how rough it is to make daily content. It's pretty rough. But I burnt myself out by trying to be consistent with it and like trying to learn how to edit and properly make videos and like lighting and colors, just how everything influences. Yeah. But with me trying to make content daily, you learn some things. It kind of shows you some things about yourself, like some people can't do daily content because I don't know, their life's not structured that way, or they just can't. I don't know. For me, back then, it wasn't really something that I could do. I just had a lot going on, and within those 5 months, life has its way of throwing curveballs at you. Um, knocking you to your knees, fucking sorry. Um, Pretty much just life, doing life things, kicking you down while you're already down. Um, I was also trying to get rid of my addictions. Nothing major, but smoking weed and drinking, getting to the point where I was drinking quite a bit, and I just wasn't really able to build myself up or work on myself enough to, you know, show ample growth while I was drinking. Cause I'd get home from work, pop a beer, and just go to town. You know, I wasn't like an avid drinker, like drinking a whole bottle a night or anything. But for me, I was drinking like 3 or 4 tall boys, 8% beer. For me, it's just a little too much. Especially since I want to do better in my life. Um, I'm in the process of now being sober. As of this year, I'm not drinking or smoking, and completely sober. I want to be able to build a community or family, and I want to be able to work together with people. And you help me, I'll help you. Like scratch my back, I'll scratch your back. Um, we just got to be there for each other, and especially this day and age where people are being more hateful and pushing negative emotions out there, or just being negative in general. Seems like nobody in this world has the love that we had like 10 years ago, 20 years ago, but I think that's life for you. Stuff happens. And in the means of those 5 months, I was also trying to figure out what I want to do in life besides like content creation. Like, I want to be a mechanic and have my own shop and build a business of, maybe being like a mobile mechanic and just stuff. So, I've been fixing my car in the means and trying to learn, as much as I can with the time that I got. Because you never know how long you're going to be here for. And the third reason, or the third topic I'm going to talk about is what to expect. I want to make at least 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It gives me some time to like structure my videos and like be able to make notes, and if I need to spend a day creating content, the next day uploading or editing and uploading, have some reason, or have some time to do that, some leeway, and that way I'm not burning myself out. But I do expect in the future to make daily videos. Just not right now. I mean, there might be some weeks where I might make 3 videos. Some there might be 5. Some I might do the whole week, but it just depends on how things are going and you know how things are going. I just said that twice. Whatever. I want to start improving on everything as like a whole category, just not one thing in particular. Making videos, angles, scenery, like you guys can see the stuff in my background, but I don't know. I'm just in my room trying to make a video and just start putting myself out there. I don't expect this video or the next 50 videos to go anywhere, but it gives me time to, be able to build myself up and articulate myself better, present myself better. um, Letting go of all distractions. I definitely want to go into this year. Well, today's like what, the 8th, 9th. Today's the 9th of January, 2025. And I'm done doom scrolling. I'm done going on Facebook expecting to find things to make me entertained, to find something that I'm probably looking for, outsourcing for, happiness, content, not being bored all the time. But I guess in reality, that's what's creating my boredom, is because I'm always just looking through Facebook, going through TikTok, going through YouTube Reels, going through Instagram, and just in a way also a comparison. We always tend to kind of compare ourselves with everybody else, and then you feel down because you don't got something in life, you're not where you want to be, and we all do that. You just gotta go through the motions, and I don't know. I stopped comparing myself because I'm a late bloomer. I still got things I gotta work on, and I ain't perfect. I got broken teeth, and you know, I'm not perfect. I don't expect myself to be perfect, and I don't ever want to be. Because if you're perfect, then there's no fun in life. You already know what's gonna happen. You already know how you're gonna act. You already know. I don't know. You just know what's gonna happen in a way. Like if you're not perfect, there's room for error and stuff like that. You know. Uh, like I said earlier, you're gonna see me come from the bottom. Like I'm not perfect, like I just said, but you'll see me grow and get more comfortable on camera. If you guys watched my previous 9 videos, whatever, 8 videos, you will see that even from them, I've grown quite a bit from just being comfortable on camera and also not saying like as much. I know I probably have quite a bit in this video, but progress, right? Grow together. I want to build a community, build a family. I want to be able to. I want you to be able to feel safe if it comes down to it to go down the comment section and express yourself or talk about what you're going through and just playing with my knife. Sorry, fidgeting. Um, yeah, I hope that people feel comfortable in the future or now, just you know, being vulnerable and we should always be there for each other. It's like when you're at your lowest and you reach out and nobody's there for you, it hurts. It sucks. And I just want to be that person that maybe you can come here for a safe place or feel safe or get away from your life for however long. Um, Obviously, when it comes to videos and growing, I'm also gonna be doing different ways of making videos. I'm gonna try and find what does work through videos and what doesn't, whether it's me recording in my room or I'm going outside in public or nature and in my car, you know, different varieties of ways of making videos, right? And eventually, I want to help. I want to help build this world to be better. Help make this world a better place. And the only way we can do that is to start with yourself, or it starts with us. You can't change the world if you can't change yourself, or can't help the world if you can't help yourself. Pretty much everything I wrote on here is note wise, but I'll be making more videos and I'll be going on more physical improvements or mental, psychological improvements, spiritual topics I'll be talking about. If you guys have anything that you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna make my way out there. Make content, get better, grow. If y'all want to make fun of me for it, whatever. I'm gonna spread love, kill y'all with kindness. I'm done letting haters. I don't know. I ain't gonna let haters, dictate my life or you know how it goes, right? But alright, that's pretty much what I want to get over with the topics for today. But I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye bye.